Finding a great SUV under $50,000 in 2026 sounds easy, until you actually start shopping. Because today's SUV market is packed with vehicles that look amazing in commercials, but feel disappointing once you drive them in real life. Some have flashy technology, but questionable reliability. Others look rugged, but aren't actually practical for daily driving. And honestly, with prices climbing higher every year in America, buyers expect a lot more value before spending this kind of money. But a few SUVs still stand out from the crowd because they offer the perfect balance of performance, comfort, durability, road presence, and long-term ownership confidence. These are the SUVs people genuinely get excited about owning. One delivers serious off-road capability, one feels premium and luxurious without becoming insanely expensive, and one has built a legendary reputation for lasting forever. So today we're breaking down the best SUVs under $50,000 that are actually worth your money in 2026. But today we're focusing on the SUVs that truly stand out. These are the SUVs that offer the best overall balance of performance, practicality, reliability, comfort, and long-term value under $50,000. And honestly, these three SUVs dominate the market for very different reasons. One focuses on reliability, one focuses on adventure and toughness, and one feels almost luxury level without crossing crazy expensive territory. So today we're breaking down the three best SUVs under $50,000 in America right now. And trust me, if you're shopping for an SUV in 2026, these are the vehicles almost everybody's talking about. 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee, the luxury adventure SUV. The Jeep Grand Cherokee continues to be one of the most interesting SUVs in America because it combines luxury, ruggedness, and road presence in a way very few SUVs can match. And honestly, this SUV looks expensive. The styling feels bold and premium. The interior quality improved massively over the years, and newer Grand Cherokees genuinely feel close to luxury SUVs inside. Huge screens, modern technology, comfortable seating, ambient lighting. Jeep clearly wanted this SUV to compete against more premium brands. But what makes the Grand Cherokee special is versatility. Because unlike many modern crossovers, this SUV still feels capable beyond pavement. Buyers who want road trip comfort during the week and adventure capability on weekends absolutely love that balance. The driving experience also surprises many people. It feels smooth, quiet, and refined on highways while still maintaining that rugged Jeep personality people expect. Now, obviously, there are some concerns buyers should think about carefully. Reliability discussions around Jeep products still make many people nervous long-term, especially once warranty coverage disappears. Maintenance costs can also become higher than some Japanese rivals. But emotionally, the Grand Cherokee has something many SUVs lack: personality. It feels like an SUV people genuinely want to drive, not just another boring appliance. And honestly, emotion matters more in vehicle buying than many people admit. So let me ask you this: would you choose a more exciting SUV even if it might not be the absolute most reliable option? 2. Ford Bronco, the SUV. Everyone still talks about few SUVs created as much hype in recent years as the Ford Bronco. When Ford brought the Bronco name back, people completely lost their minds. And honestly, the excitement still hasn't disappeared. The reason is simple: the Bronco feels different. In a market full of smooth family crossovers, the Bronco brought back rugged styling, removable doors, off-road capability, and old-school SUV energy. It feels adventurous before you even start driving it. And honestly, buyers love that feeling. The Bronco also offers something rare in today's SUV market: customization, different trims, tire setups, roof options, off-road packages. Buyers can build a Bronco matching their exact personality. But it's not just about looks. The Bronco is genuinely capable off-road. Trails, mud, snow, rocks. This SUV was built for buyers who actually want adventure capability instead of just pretending. Now, here's something important though. Many Bronco buyers realistically spend most of their time driving on normal roads. And surprisingly, the Bronco still feels enjoyable for everyday driving despite its rugged focus. The biggest downside: pricing and demand. Some Broncos became ridiculously expensive because dealerships knew people desperately wanted them. And honestly, hype alone sometimes pushed prices higher than expected. Fuel economy also isn't amazing, especially compared to modern hybrid SUVs. But honestly, nobody buys a Bronco because they want the most fuel-efficient vehicle in America. People buy Broncos because they want character. And that's exactly why this SUV became such a cultural phenomenon in the US. It feels cool, nostalgic, adventurous, and different from everything else on the road. So here's the question: would you rather own a practical SUV or an SUV that actually feels exciting every time you drive it. 1. Toyota 4Runner, the king of long-term SUV ownership. At number 1, we have the Toyota 4Runner. And honestly, this SUV deserves the spot completely, because while many modern SUVs focus heavily on flashy technology and futuristic styling, the 4Runner focuses on something buyers increasingly value more: durability. This SUV has become legendary in America for surviving insane mileage and rough conditions while still remaining dependable. Mechanics trust them, off-road enthusiasts love them, families keep them forever, and used buyers actively search for them even with extremely high mileage already on the odometer. That reputation matters. The 4Runner also feels different from modern crossovers because it still uses old-school body-on-frame construction, and honestly, that's one reason it feels so tough and durable compared to many softer SUVs today. Another huge advantage is resale value. Few SUVs hold value like the 4Runner. Buyers know these vehicles last, so demand stays incredibly strong even years later. And honestly, long-term value matters way more than people realize when buying SUVs. Now, yes, there are trade-offs. Fuel economy feels outdated, the technology can seem older than competitors, and the ride quality feels more truck-like compared to smoother crossovers. But here's the thing. Buyers willingly accept those compromises because reliability confidence matters more. The 4Runner also has massive emotional appeal. It feels adventurous, rugged, and capable in a way many modern SUVs simply don't. Even people who never go off-road love the feeling of driving something built tough enough for almost anything. And honestly, that emotional confidence becomes part of why owners stay loyal to Toyota for years. In 2026, where many SUVs feel overly complicated and loaded with fragile electronics, the 4Runner almost feels refreshing because of its simplicity and proven durability. If someone asked me which SUV under $50,000 I'd trust most to survive 15 years without becoming a financial nightmare, the Toyota 4Runner would absolutely be near the top of the list. At the end of the day, the best SUV under $50,000 really depends on what matters most to you. If you want luxury and versatility, the Grand Cherokee stands out. If you want excitement and adventure, the Bronco delivers huge personality. And if you want long-term durability and legendary reliability, the Toyota 4Runner remains incredibly hard to beat. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we post honest SUV content like this all the time. And before you leave, comment below, which SUV under $50,000 would you actually spend your money on?